Now this is the cab inside control system of 4YZ4T. Here we can see here this is the big light, fine, and this is the warning light on the top of the cab. The information system here, and this display is for 3 camera information, and when you go back, this is the back view of the harvester. And here is the control system. This one, when you put here, this is the first gear, and this second handle, when you push back, it is the second gear, and this one, when you put in this way in the front, it will be the third gear, and this one is the 4WD system working. When you use this, mostly it should be in the first gear, and the harvester should in slowly moving station, and you can contact the 4WD system. This is used for some muddy farmland, and this is the brake system, handle brake. You can see this one. This one controls the engine speed. When you touch this one, the engine speed from minimum to the maximum, and when you change this, the engine speed will be kept in a speed. When the harvesting, the engine speed should be about 2000 RPM, and the speed you can see in there. The harvest station should be 2000, and you can change this to realize that. This handle is to control the harvester go front or go back. This is the brake station. We'll put it in the front. The harvester will go front, and when you push like that, the harvester moving faster and faster. This one will go back. It is same. Those two right is to control the corn hider up and down. Those two is for the thrower. The silage thrower system go left and go right, and that one, the blue, is to control the thrower throw far or near, and those two is to control the bottom chopper system. For the 4+4 4WD corn harvester, those two is no use. Here is the information system. You can see this one is to tell you the engine speed. Please remember, when you harvesting, before you go into the corn field, when you ready to make a harvesting, the engine speed should be about 2000 RPM. This one is the walking speed, and here is the water temperature, electricity, the fuel information, working time, working how many kilogram, and this one, when you start the engine, here you can see the hydraulic oil, the pressure. This handle, this big handle, is the main clutch system control handle. this handle, if like this station, you can only drive the corn harvester, and you can't make harvesting. The corn hider, the peeling system, and the chopper is not working. You can just drive this vehicle. When you go to the farmland, when you're ready to make harvesting, and you can push this handle to the bottom station like this. When you hear the boom, that means the main clutch system has been contacted, and now the corn hider, the peeling system, and the chopper will be working. Then you can make the engine speed in 2000 RPM. Then you can make harvesting. That is the right way for you to use this harvester. And for the new drivers, I should tell you, for this handle, when you're harvesting, you should put it, use hard power to make it in the bottom station. In that time, the inter transmitters of the main clutch, I mean the pellet, will be connected. If it is not in the bottom station, the pellet will not in the very good contacted station. The pellets will be easy to broken. And when you finish the harvesting, please put this big handle in the back station, like this one. In that station, the harvesting system will be not working. And sometimes there have some little problems for the new drivers when sometimes he can't starting this harvester because this handle is not in the original station. If you can't start the harvester, maybe you can check this handle. It is in the right station or not. After long time transport, this handle is the main electricity catch. In the long transport station, it will be break like this. This is output station, the harvester without any electricity. When you get this harvester, you should first to connect the electricity system like this. Then the harvester can start and use. When you long time not use the harvester, you should put this down to cut down the electricity power, to protect the battery system. And when you start to use, first time to connect it,